What's up, guys? It's your old pal Court here, Cincy Nation Studios in the house. We are recording. What's good? Why is this not staying on? God, I hate this. It never wants to stay on. The freaking mic adapter for the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Anyway, hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys can hear the bike. Just like usual, there's a beauty beast right there. Anyways, we're gonna be on the bike. I gotta run down and get tags because they are expired. But anyways, gonna go get some tags and gotta go to work, get some food, which I already know. So it's beautiful out, so I'm wearing a tank top and my riding vest, as I have missed this so much, riding in the warm weather like this. So anyways, let's roll out. Moto vlog number 2 for this season. You already know what the business is. Your boy's back on a baby bike. Say what? Let's go. Yeah. And they just repaved this road. Let's get these tires a little lean with it, rock with it going on. Warm them up. Alright. Feels good. Feels so good to be back on the bike again. Oh, I'm not kidding. And she, I swear, she just never changes. Feels good every time. Brakes feel good. I mean, it's just, this bike runs good. No battery tender throughout the whole winter. Starts right up the first time I start her. Runs perfectly fine. Granted, I put, you know, chain lube on there, on the chain, and you know, inspected everything, but you know, she's back to exactly how I left her. I mean, it's exactly how I left her. Perfect. Alright, so feels good out. Might even get a tan, what do you know? So anyways, back to moto vlogging, baby. Let's make sure, oh well, make sure, can't make sure because weather changes. What am I saying? I'm losing it. Anyways, hopefully the weather stays good so we can keep getting moto vlogs pushed out and I can keep riding, because you know your boy wanna ride though. So that's what we're gonna push for, getting as many moto vlogs out as we can. This is gonna be moto vlog number 2 for this year of 2018. You already know what a panacea. So anyways, she feels good. She does, as usual. And I know it. I can feel the power on the throttle, and it's just, it's an amazing thing. Guys, if you ride, please make sure you're riding safe. You're paying attention to all other cars. You know, 100% when you're in a car, 200% when you're on a bike. That means paying attention to the road, gravel, oil, cars, everything. You're watching for everything. You know, I may be talking and recording this, but my eyes are everywhere. You constantly got to pay attention. Keep that in mind. Alright. I need to spray my bike down, man. She's dusty. And we're still running on gas stabilizer and 93 octane from the winter, which I will let that tank run out. Put some fuel injected cleaner in it and some 93 from Shell. Always, you know what your boy does. Oh, does it feel good? Rocking the old vest with the sleeve. What? The wife beater and the vest. I miss it. This is my favorite part. You know, right now it's about 82 degrees. Perfect for riding. It's a little windy, but it feels good out. Can't complain. And it feels good to be back on the bike. Hopefully I don't get pulled over until I get to the DMV so I can get my tags. Because the tags are expired right now, but the DMV is just right up the street, so we're good there. All right. Dodge Stealth. I used to have a Dodge Stealth RTT. It was red just like that, but that was a regular Stealth. Bada boom, bada bang. The one thing I do hate is riding with a backpack, but since I'm going to work, I got to. I love this Kawasaki Plasma Blue with that beautiful metallic paint. It's my favorite color, absolute favorite. If you asked me what my favorite color was, it would be Kawasaki Plasma Blue. Period. Oh, they're rebuilding that McDonald's. Nice. I thought they actually just tore it down. Tore it down. Lean with it, with it, lean with it, with it. Oh, you have no idea. It feels so good. All right. Bam! We at the DMV, just about. Hopefully they ain't packed, because your boy don't want to wait in line. Alright. Alright guys, I'll catch you when I get outside of the DMV. Alright guys, what's goody? We just got out of the DMV, got my new tag, so we're good for another year. Yeah. So, you know what that means. Moto vlogs are gonna start popping off, the weather stays nice, and we're gonna ride. This bike starts up every single time. Let's go. Gotta run back by the house. I forgot my vaporizer. You know how important that is. If I don't have it at work, say what? Boom. Alright. Hopefully it's beautiful where you guys are, because right now it's absolutely beautiful here. And I hope it stays that way. Because I love riding around in a wife beater and my vest, my riding vest. I love it. Absolutely love it. We're good. My phone is ringing. Who be calling? Yeah, so anyways, hopefully the weather holds up. Also, guys, be expecting, I'm going to an NHRA event next month. I will be vlogging it. I'm going to be going there with my buddy Tanner, and hopefully we'll get some interviews with some of the drivers. It'll be fun. It'll be a fun time. So I'll be vlogging that. A lot of moto vlogs. I'm hoping to get some more police RP with Dark Shield videos recorded and put out for you guys. There's a lot to come this summer, so we're gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna be riding with quite a bit of people once everybody starts getting their bikes out and ready to go. Yeah, it's gonna be a good summer, hopefully. Hopefully we don't have any accidents or any issues. We've been super lucky so far, and I hope to keep it that way. I love how you can't even tell. I mean, you can hear it, but this bike shifts so fast. It's unbelievable. I love the shifter on this bike. It's insane. It's insane. Absolutely insane. So fast. My phone's ringing again. Hopefully there's not an emergency. I don't have my scalar rider on, so I can't answer it. I'll check it once we get to the house. Definitely gonna get some a lot more downtown riding. That way we can get you know, some rides down over Newport, you know, looking towards Cincinnati, going downtown Cincinnati, you know, because I would like to get, you know, a good moto vlog out and also get the drone up down there, but I gotta check some regulations as far as flying that in the city. But I don't see a problem with it as long as it's, you know, kind of up and away from the city, but in an area where you can see the city, if you get what I'm saying. So that should be all Gucci. But anyways, yeah, I gotta stop back here at home, and we're gonna get that vape, and then we gonna head to work, and then yeah, see stuff like this, guys, all these leaves and gravel and such. Make sure if you're riding you watch for that stuff, because it will cause you to, you know, especially if you don't have brand new tires. But regardless of the fact, you know, that type of stuff will make you want to slide out, and that's no good. So watch for that. Gravel, oil, other drivers mainly, but make sure you pay attention to everything when you're on a bike, 100%. Also, you know, if you're an experienced rider, you know when to brake. If you're panicking in a panic situation, you never just want to slam on that front brake. You want to try to downshift the rear brake and the front brake to avoid skidding out. Oh, there's that beautiful car. Oh, I love that car too. Oh, it feels so good to be on a bike. The car's right there, all nice and safe. Look at that, bada boom, bada bang. So anyways, guys, I will catch you all when I'm back out. All right, picked up the vape. Now it's time to head to work. Let's get it. Yay, yay. Hopefully everything's working good. The GoPro's picking up audio like it should be. I hate to find files that are video with no audio. That sucks, and I don't want that to happen. So fortunately and hopefully we're getting all sound we need and want. And I'm so happy they repaved this road. So happy. Wasn't happy at first because it was a mess for about a week, but they got it done pretty quick, so I can't complain. The one thing that is sketchy is I have a backpack on and I can't stand riding with a backpack, but it's got my MacBook in it and a bunch of expensive stuff, and I don't like it, because if you go down, that's something that's going to be destroyed more than likely. But I have faith in my riding ability and just pray to God that nobody acts a fool and runs into me. Lean with it. Oh, it feels so good outside. I didn't think that today I'd wake up and be able to ride with a wife beater in this riding vest. I really didn't. Super stoked. And I got my tag, so I'm good to ride the rest of the year. Bada boom, bada bang. Lean with it. Knee touching the ground. No, we ain't leaning that hard on the street. No. That's how you die. Unless you're in a, you know, a situation where you got a knee to the ground to save yourself, but yeah. Don't. Riding with no hands. Oh, it feels so... I know I've said it, but it feels so good to be on two wheels again. It really is. It's a whole different beast. You can have a 900 horsepower car, but two wheels, it's a different beast. Yeah, I could cut up through the traffic, but nah, that's a little, nah. We're in a school zone and nah. I don't want to be that idiot. Cincinnati Bell Fiber Optics. Hey, that's what I got. Now hiring. I can't wait to run this fuel out. It's got fuel stabilizer in it, and fill it up with premium, and also put some Lucas fuel injector cleaner in there, and then I will put some Mobil 1.4T racing oil in it to restart the oil for the summer. Ah, yes, guys, if you have a high performance bike, Mobil 1.4T racing oil has got to be the best. I'm just saying, it's done me well. If the bike starts up like it does every single time and runs this way all the time, I mean, I know Kawasaki, it makes one hell of a bike, but come on. I mean, I've seen my friends' bikes not start, and one being a GSXR, you know, problems can arise from anywhere, but I haven't had one issue with this bike since I've had it. Since I rebuilt the whole thing, it has been 100%. Knock on wood. Pop, pop, pop. All right. I need to set my other GoPro up for multiple. What is this? No, I don't want to be in construction, not in a bike. Why did I come this way? I should have went the back route. I don't like this. It's sketchy. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Checking my mirrors, checking around. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like it. Good thing my lights are bright. Tail lights are bright. My bike's loud. What the? That's the first time that's happened. Gravel everywhere. Slow-mo entrance. Boom. We here at work. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright guys. Hopefully you have an amazing day. I'll catch you on the ride home. Already know what a business is. Alright guys. We're doing good. Living life to the fullest. Being yourself. Doing you. And I'll catch you when I get... Wow, I didn't even turn my turn signal off. I'll catch you when I get out of work. Peace.